The 2001 Westfield International Air Show, a celebration of freedom. The 104th Fighter Wing of the Massachusetts Air National Guard hosted the event. Over 1,000 people made it happen, their efforts an integral part of the community. Project Officer Captain Ken Fedora.
There's almost 1,000 people here on the base, and almost every single person has a part in making this air show come alive and together. One of the biggest reasons we host the Westfield International Air Show is for recruiting and for community relations, so people get a chance to come out and see our airplanes, see the base, what we're all about, and what we do. I think the best thing about the air show is actually two things. One, seeing the airplanes on the ground in static display, and two, looking up and seeing them actually perform in the sky and see what each airplane has to offer.
During that weekend in August, both military and civilian pilots shared with us their love for aviation. That passion was taken to the extreme during a heart-stopping routine by Michael Goulian in his state-of-the-art CAP 232. The air show featured a study in contrast, two bombers from two different eras. A B-17 Flying Fortress from World War II shared the tarmac with its present-day counterpart, the massive B-1B bomber. As the B-1 flew, another example of stealth technology could be found on static display. We were allowed beyond the guard lines for an up-close tour of the mysterious F-117A stealth fighter. The opportunity for unique experiences continued as we flew along with pilots of the A-10 Thunderbolt, the F-15 Eagle, the CF-18 Hornet, and the Canadian Snowbirds. Throughout the day, we saw shining examples of teamwork, from the two-man crew of the Cobra attack helicopter to the teaming up of the F-15 and the P-51 Mustang in the Heritage Flight. Working together, the 104th Zone showed just what two A-10 Warthogs can do. An assist from the Pyro Department helped bring their two-ship demo to an explosive conclusion. Each day culminated with precision formation flying. The 9 members of the Canadian Snowbirds left their signatures across the sky and on the ground as they met with fans after the show.
What was your favorite part? All of it? Yeah, that's good.
And when the day was through, we were left with memories that perhaps symbolize what the air show experience is all about. A reaching out to community, remembering our heritage, a show of teamwork and unity in a land that is full of opportunity. As we listen now to the men and women who fly the planes, we share with them the spirit that is a celebration of freedom.